So the trust architecture is essentially the discipline of designing how credibility shows up in the market, not just in campaigns, but across an entire system of communication. Now, let me bring this to life with a real-world example. One company we worked with, Aircraft Performance Group, operates in a highly technical industrial category. Now, companies in technical industries often face a unique challenge. It's not always visibility, it's credibility. When buyers encounter an industrial or engineering company, the questions they are asking tend to be very pragmatic. Are the people legitimate? Do they really solve the problem? Are they better than the incumbent solution? So the first step in building trust architecture was not writing marketing language, it was identifying the truth of the company. What are the engineering strengths? What manufacturing capabilities exist? What real-world performance data is available? That's the credibility foundation. From there, we structured the proof across 3 layers. The first layer is product truth: specification, performance metrics, engineering capability. The second layer is operational truth: manufacturing capacity, supply chain reliability, delivery performance. And the third layer, market proof: customer success, industry validation, and real-world outcomes. Once those layers of proof were clear, marketing, in this case Avocet, could translate them into a market language through messaging, website architecture, sales enablement tools, brand narrative, so on and so forth. The difference was that the message wasn't just persuasive, it was supported by evidence, and that dramatically changes how buyers interpret the brand.